Welcome to our channel, where we help you master the latest tech tips and tricks. Today, we're going to show you how to set the default message timer off for new chats on WhatsApp. This feature is super useful if you want to keep your messages visible for as long as you need them, without worrying about them disappearing automatically. First things first, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface where all your chats are listed. Now let's dive into the settings. Tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open up the menu where you can access various options to customize your WhatsApp experience. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can tweak everything from notifications to account settings. Now tap on Privacy. This section is crucial for managing how your messages are handled, including the Disappearing Messages feature. Scroll down through the Privacy menu until you reach the Disappearing Messages Timer section. Here, you'll find the option for Default Message Timer. Tap on it to access the timer settings. This is where you can decide how long you want your messages to stay visible in new chats. Now, you'll see a list of options for how long messages can stay before they disappear. However, since we want to turn off the default timer, simply choose Off. By selecting this option, you ensure that all new chats will not have a disappearing message timer enabled by default. This means your messages will remain visible until you manually delete them. By following these simple steps, you can keep your WhatsApp conversations intact and accessible for as long as you need. Whether you're discussing important details or just chatting with friends, having control over your messages is essential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.